How to add a custom testimonial section in Shopify. You can do this in just 7 simple steps. 1. Open your Shopify admin panel and navigate to Online Store, Themes. Customize to edit your store's layout. 2. Choose the section where you want to add testimonials, such as the homepage or product pages. Click Add Section and select Custom Content or Testimonials if your theme supports it. 3. If using a third-party app, install a testimonial app like Looks or Judge.me from the Shopify App Store to collect and display customer reviews. 4. Customize the testimonial section by adding customer images, review text, and star ratings. Adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to match your store's branding. 5. If coding manually, insert a custom HTML section in Shopify's theme editor and use a simple div structure with customer quotes. Add CSS styling for better design. 6. Preview the testimonials on desktop and mobile devices to ensure a responsive layout. Adjust image sizes and text alignment if necessary. 7. Publish the changes and promote the testimonial section through social media or email campaigns to increase customer trust and conversions. A well-placed testimonial section builds credibility and enhances customer confidence, leading to higher sales.